All right, so this is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. So this is 16 gigs of RAM, and it's a DDR4 3200. Now, I bought this RAM specifically for a few different reasons. One, I like the Corsair brand, so that helped me narrow it down a little bit. And it had some pretty good ratings, and the speed and type are supported by the motherboard that I had already selected. So I just needed something that was compatible. So compatibility was a major factor there. Kind of one of the most important critical factors. And I didn't want to get DDR5 yet. I just figured, like, from everything I've read and everything I've looked into, it's worth waiting for now, at least this time. So holding off on that. And actually, one thing that I noticed about this, I would view this as a reason to get it. Not for everybody, but the LEDs look amazing. Now you can see the pictures and stuff; they don't do it justice. When you actually see it, maybe this is just me, but I personally think they looked absolutely amazing, and that actually kind of surprised me. If you want to see where you can pick this or any other parts I used in this build up, just check the link in the description. Also, you might want to check out the video of the full build. That link's also going to be in the description, so check that out too. So let's look at the features. So let's see, main features of this RAM is that it's, I guess the first thing I mentioned, 16 gigs, but that's actually two 8 gig sticks. And let's see, it's DDR4 3200 slash, which is also PC4 2600. And it is CL16 dual channel desktop memory, and it's actually a desktop memory kit. And let's see, I'm going to read off this model number. The model number is CMW16GX4M2E3200C16. And if that's too long to you don't want to write that down or remember it, just check the link in the description. I have all the stats and the whole write-up on this already there, so do check that link in the description. Now, and the other main feature is the heatsink with LEDs on it. So that was pretty nice, which I had already mentioned actually. So any case, going through the specs, it's DDR4, 16 gigs. Tested speed is 3200. Tested latency would be 16-18-18-36. Tested voltage is 1.35. SPD speed is 2133 megahertz, and SPD latency is 1515. Rather, it's the latency is 15-15-15-36. The speed rating is PC4 2600 or 3200 megahertz, and the SPD voltage is 1.2 volts. Performance profile is going to be XMP 2.0. The fan, there is no fan included, which should not be a surprise. I don't know why that needed to be listed in the specs, but it is. The memory series is Vengeance RGB Pro, which is kind of obvious from the name. Comes with so the heat spreader it comes with is anodized aluminum, and it also comes with, for LED lighting, it's RGB, and I guess that's not much of a spec, but they listed it. And let's see, single zone versus multi-zone lighting, it's dynamic multi-zone, and memory color is black. So the color of this RAM is black, so when the LEDs aren't lit up, it's just going to be a black stick of RAM. Nothing too exciting there. You can see that. Let's see, package memory format is DIMM. I guess that's basically all sticks of RAM are DIMMs. Package memory pins, so it's going to have 288 pins. As long as you have the right format, that's what matters. You don't really need to actually count the pins. As long as you have the right type of RAM and everything, it should match up just fine. Compatibility, so it's compatible with Intel 100 series, Intel 200 series, 300 series, 400 series. 500 series, 600 series, and the Intel X299, AMD 300 series, AMD 400, AMD 500, and AMD X570. So a bunch of different series that it's compatible with. That's about it for the specs on this. If you want to see where you can pick this or any other parts I used in this build up, just check the link in the description. Also, you might want to check out the video of the full build. That link's also going to be in the description, so check that out too. Go ahead and hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss out on our other great videos. We have a lot of great stuff we put out already, and we have a lot of stuff coming up soon. So definitely hit the subscribe button, and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to alert you when we come out with a new video, and you're not going to want to miss these. We put a lot of other great content out. This includes hardware, software, networking, servers, coding, electronics, single board computers, 3D printing, robots, and a ton more. Also, leave a comment down below, not just for me, but for the next person who watches this video. If you know something that I don't know, or you have any comments, questions, criticism, whatever you want to say, just leave the comment down below. Hopefully you found this video useful, or at least interesting. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.